Hello, good day and welcome. I will be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past question 40. In the figure below, PQ and PR are tangents to the circle with center O. If angle QPR is equal to 34 degree, find the angle marked X. A 136 degree, B 140 degree, C 146 degree, D 148 degree, and E 150 degree. Now we're given what? A circle with a tangent. The first tangent is what? PQ, and the second tangent is PR. Now this tangent actually meets the circle, and they meet the circle at what? The same point opposite to each other. Now this is the circle, and they meet the circle at the same point, because if you look at this line drawn from the point of tangent PQ and to the point of tangent PR, it is a straight line. So that means they meet the circle at the same what? Opposite points. Now O here is the what? Center of the circle, and this line OR and line OQ is the what? Is the radius of the circle. And there's we know that the radius of a circle, wherever it meets a tangent, that angle formed is always a what? A right angle. That is, the radius of a circle is always perpendicular. Now don't mind the diagram here. This diagram is not perfect, but it is stated from the question that what this O is the center of the circle. So not minding the diagram, since O is center of the circle, this line OR is the what? Is the radius of the circle. And so therefore the angle formed is a right angle, that is 90 degree, because OR, which is the radius, is always perpendicular to the tangent formed. So this is a right angle. Likewise OQ, which is also a radius of the circle, we also form a right angle with this what? With this tangent, because, and remember, the tangent meets the circle at the same what? Opposite points. Now this is a line here drawn for us. If you look at this triangle here now with this line, you notice that what? This is an isosceles triangle. That is this angle here now. That is angle, the triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. If you look at it, isosceles triangle. This angle PQR is an isosceles triangle. So therefore, to find each of these angles, it is very easy. Now the angles we are looking for now is this angle. Let's call this angle Y, and here too will also be equals to what? Will be Y2. Why? Because the base angle of an isosceles triangle is equal. So for an isosceles triangle, the base angle is equal. Now to find this base angle, since we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180, we can simply say that what? 2y is plus 34 is equal to 180. Now we're talking in respect to what? Angle triangle PQR. That is sum of angles in a triangle. From here we have that 2y is equals to 180 minus 34, which is equal to, now 180 minus 34 will give us 146. Now y is equals to 146 divided by 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 73 degree. So now each of this base angle is equals to what? 73 degree. That is, this base angle now of this isosceles triangle PQR is 73 degree. Now remember I told you that what? That wherever a radius meets a tangent, a right angle is formed, which is 90 degree. So now looking at this triangle again, triangle OQR, if you look at this triangle OQR, you notice that it is also what? An isosceles triangle, because this is a radius and this is also a radius, and so both here is equal to this place. So therefore also triangle OQR is also what? An isosceles triangle. and because of that, its base angle also will be equal. That is, this base angle too will be equal, and we can actually get this base angle from this value of y, since we know the value of y to be 73, and we know that this angle made here from the radius to the tangent is 90 degree, and we know that y, this is y, this angle from here to here, this angle here is y, this angle from here to here, likewise this angle here too is y. So since we know this angle to be 73 degree, we can easily find this angle here. Now this angle here can be found, so let's call that angle, let's call it angle z. So we say z plus angle y is equal to 90 degree. That's what right angle. So we can say that what z plus 73 is equals to 90 degree. So z is equals to 90 minus 73, which is equal to 17 degree. So each of this angle here now is 17 degree. Remember, the base angle of isosceles triangle is the same. So if here can be, it's 17 degree. Since this angle here is 17 degree, remember we subtracted 73 from 90 to give us what? 17 degree. So this angle here is 17 degree. So we can say what? X plus 17 plus 17 is equal to 180. So x plus 34 is equal to 180 degree. Now to get the value of x is equals to 180 minus 34 degree, and that is equal to what? That is equal to 146. So x is equals to 146 degree, and that is option C. Now let me do a brief recap. We started with what? This triangle Q and PQR. We say triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, and since here is given to us to be 34 degree, we found this angle y here, and then finding angle y, we got what? 73 degree. And we said wherever a radius meets a tangent, a right angle is from 90 degree. So with that, we're able to what? Get angle z to be 17 degree, because 90 minus 73 will give us what? 17 degree. And also this angle here, this triangle here too, is a isosceles triangle, because what? Both sides of this angle is equal. And so with that, since we got this angle to be 17 degree, likewise this angle too will be 17 degree. And like we know, sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So adding this 17 plus 17 degree to give us 34 degree, we subtracted it from 180 to get angle x, and so therefore angle x was equal to what? 146 degree, and that is option C. Thank you very much. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.